Hey guys, what's up everyone, and welcome back to this video once again. Just a quick update on Fantom FTM right now, currently exploding. So we had this nice little downtrend right here, as you guys can see. This was a downtrend towards the downside ever since that correction. I believe we had a hidden bearish divergence over there. So this was the hidden bearish divergence essentially. If I take this right here and I peek it to the top, a lot of people didn't believe me, and I put this to the down. This was on the RSI, a hidden bearish divergence. What does that mean? It is essentially a bearish target. So as you guys can see right here, we came back. We also saw that slight double top, and we broke below the neckline, which we came back all the way to this resistance. Now, why is this a resistance? Well, let's have a look back. We had a peak right here and a peak right here. Okay, that made it a resistance. Now that we broke the trend, okay, we do have a resistance indeed right here. Okay, a small one that we just got rejected. As you guys can see right here, we were hit and we had a few bounces from there. So that's that. Okay. Where can we go? Well, if we manage to break above 1.5, in my opinion, I wouldn't be surprised if we go and make all-time highs again. Now, Fantom is a good coin, but that being said, it's going to be very, very interesting, of course, especially with what happened to Solana. Things are going to be interesting. Another thing is we are back above the exponential moving average, which is great. Okay, it's very possible we come back and retest it. So for you traders out there, very, very possible we come back to 1.37 and retest that level. Let's have a look on the daily time frame, on the higher time frame, real quick, and get rid of that for a second. Okay, on the daily time frame, first of all, we came back when I said there was going to be a correction right here. No one believed me. Everyone thought I was saying a bunch of nonsense, and I was getting a lot of hate. Essentially, people thought I was creating FUD, but this is exactly what happened. Corrections are good, and I did say that corrections will happen in a lot of the times when you see a massive spike up to the upside. Okay, and what happened? We came back, tested exactly the exponential moving average. Sorry about that. We tested exactly the EMA ribbon right here on the daily time frame, and that was a confirmation for a buy essentially. Same thing with Bitcoin. If I have a look at Bitcoin and I go on the 1 hour time frame, we had a nice little bounce right here, and this is essentially when I bought. I actually put a long right here on Bitcoin at the EMA ribbon. Okay, so we were swinging up, we came back down, and now we're going back up. Okay, so let's go back to FTM real quick. So this is just an example to show you that yes, technical analysis once again does work if it's done correctly, and this is why you guys have to put A plus B and then combine them together. It's not just this; it's of course the support, it's the resistance, it's the RSI, it's the bearish, it's the downtrend. You have to put a bunch of things, combine them together, and hope for the best. Not hope for the best, but calculate off. Of course, put your stop loss. Never risk more money than you can afford to lose. Don't play with too much leverage, and then you'll be fine. So this is the FTM update for today. Another coin I want to have a look at is Solana. Okay, Solana, pretty interesting coin. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We had 7, 8 red candles in a row. Okay, yesterday I did manage to put a long right here. Why did I put a long right here at that level? Well, that's because we have a support right here, as you guys can see. We do have indeed a support at this level right here, which is why we got rejected by this area. So now, if we do manage to break above this level, I wouldn't be surprised if Solana goes all the way down to $81 or between 81 to 89. Okay, it's going to be very, very interesting. Yesterday there was a whole negative energy. The whole market ecosystem crashed with Solana, which is why we are seeing this crash right now, or not why, which is why we saw this big candle towards the downside. I believe it was a 20% candle. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let's have a look. Okay, it was 18%. So this is why we had this correction. Now, corrections are good, guys. We saw this huge swing. Okay, if we come back here and we chill here for a little bit and come back up, 250 was my target. Okay, we reach approximately 215. Okay, so it's going to be very, very good for Solana to see what happens in the near future. This coin is still good. This coin still has a lot of potential. This coin is still big in my honest opinion, guys. So this is the update on Solana. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin real quick is looking pretty good, pretty fabulous right now. Great day. We are above the the support right here. Okay, so we had a small support right here, as you guys can see. If I zoom in, I did mention that if we manage to break above this resistance right here, then things will be great. And what is happening right now? Well, we actually just broke above the resistance right now, as you guys can see. Sorry if I'm whispering. I'm just I can't be too loud, but as you guys can see right here, we do have the resistance right here, and we broke above it. So things are looking pretty good. Can we see not a correction, but can we see a retest before coming back up? Yes, it's very possible. But my target for this would essentially be $50,000 to $49,000. Anyways, guys, this is my TA for today. If you guys like this video, of course, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.